Tonight's dinner is barramundi fish. I'm gonna season it with green herbs, garlic, paprika. And now we'll sear it, skin up, for about 4 to 8 minutes, each side though. Onions and garlic. Now we add some kale and fresh spinach. Three minutes in, now the greens are kind of wilted. Now we're going to add some fresh red bell peppers. And now we add some organic beans. And some roasted peppers. Beautiful. And now, honey Dijon, vinaigrette. Mix it in. It smells so good. Plating time. This is ready. Now the barramundi fish. And now some kale, pecan and almond salad. Some roasted pistachios. Dinner's ready! Ahlan, like the Persians would say, salamati.